wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids! From A to Z.
From east to west.
I'm Noah.
And I'm Olivia.
Welcome back to Dream Again!
Yay, we're in our arts and crafts studio.
We are.
Yeah, and we have some exciting things for you guys today. Yeah? Do you guys see what these are? Yep, they are blank canvases. Mm-hmm. And a blank canvas is just like a piece of paper almost.
I'm done.
I know you're being funny, but guess what?
No, do you see that shadow on there? It looks like a guitar. I'm done.
Oh, that shadow does look like a guitar. You're right.
I'm done.
All done. You want to know what?
What?
I don't remember the artist's name, but there is actually an artist who makes chicken wire sculptures. And then what you do is you hang the sculpture against the wall or in the air in the middle of the room.
Okay.
And the sculpture is kind of interesting, but the whole point of the sculpture is the shadow it casts.
Yep. See?
Yep. So yeah.
I'm done.
Good job.
Look.
Wow.
Then now the guitar has a nose.
Mm-hmm. Now the guitar is a guitar and the guitar player.
I guess I can't move anymore.
Nope, you got to stay right there.
Yep.
Don't sneeze.
Achoo!
Oh, the painting was ruined.
Oops. Now it's all wet. Maybe I should paint over it.
Yeah, you could do that.
So, what are we going to do?
So today we are going to paint, and we are going to paint anything we want.
Anything? But that could be everything.
Yeah, it could be everything. That's kind of the point. Yeah, really great artists out there. And I guess probably just all artists, even if they're not great. I don't know.
I think it would take me a day just to think of what it is I want to do now that you said I can do anything and everything.
Oh yeah, you have the problem of choice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can't you help me with that? Like, how do I limit my choices?
Well, I can give you some inspiration.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. There's different painters. So, like, your guitar with the nose in it.
Yeah.
Like that, if you drew that all in squares and weird shapes, that could be a Picasso.
Oh.
Yeah.
And Picasso was an artist.
Yeah, Picasso was a very famous artist.
Okay.
Yeah, he made paintings that were very abstract. So, like, he would make your face, and it would be maybe a square and a triangle and two circles, but maybe the circles for your eyes would overlap the triangle for your nose.
Oh,
it wouldn't even matter. Yeah, it's very unique.
No, I don't want to do that.
Oh, well, you don't have to do that. You could also do what I think I might do, because it's a really fun kind of painting, is a splatter painting.
Oh, like water balloon. Psh.
Kind of, actually, yeah. You take the paintbrush and you go, and the paint just flies onto the canvas in whatever order it wants.
Could I also throw a balloon on it and then it pops and it's like...
Yeah, absolutely you could. That'd be so cool. Although...
That sounds like fun. But then I think it would be all dirty.
Oh, no.
Oh, what? Oh, no.
But I didn't bring any balloons. So I don't think you can do that.
I guess I can't do that. But that would be something I could do outside.
Yeah, you could do it. Okay. We just can't do it today because I didn't think of it. Sorry, Noah.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
Okay.
So, but I still don't know what it is I'm going to do.
Well, you could do a realistic painting. You could do, many artists do a self-portrait. Yeah, it's kind of like a selfie, only with paint.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay. So you would literally watch yourself in a mirror and then paint yourself.
Oh, that seems very, very, very hard.
Yeah, I think it's pretty difficult.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Well.
Yeah. You could.
Yeah, I don't know.
You could do an impressionistic painting.
What's impressionistic?
Ooh, so it's kind of like the impression or the feeling something gives you. So, like, looking at that rainbow, I get the impression that it's light and fluffy. So they paint it with like little small, sometimes not dots, but like little soft smudges of paint.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, there is also dot painting.
Dot painting.
I don't remember exactly what it's called. Maybe
Okay.
you do. But where people literally, they'll paint and they'll use a bunch of dots and then it will make a whole picture. So, have you ever seen a magic eye book?
Magic. Oh yeah. Of course. Where you look at it and look at it and look at it, and then all of a sudden
There's a
your eyes
picture.
are crossed, and then
Yeah.
it's like a picture.
It's not quite like that because you see it instantly, but like I could make your face and I would like do every little point on your face just with little dots.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, like a light break.
Yep. Okay. Well, I think now I have a couple of ideas of what it is I can do.
Oh, good. Yay! I'm glad you have some ideas.
Yeah.
Aw, cool. I hope that you kids out there have some ideas too.
Yeah, all you need is a canvas like this, of course, some paint,
Yeah.
ideally acrylic paint, some paintbrushes, water, and a great imagination.
Yeah. And if you don't have a canvas like this, you can just paint on regular paper.
Yeah.
Yeah. The canvas is fun because, I don't know, because it's canvas.
Yeah,
it's
it's
different.
canvas, and you can then give it to your mom and dad, and they can
Oh,
put
yeah.
it up in their room.
Oh, yeah, it could be a present.
Yeah.
You could give it to your teacher
Yeah.
or,
Yeah.
a friend.
Okay, I'm gonna start painting now.
Okay, me too. All right.
What am I going to do?
Oh.
I wonder what Olivia's going to do. Oh yeah, she was going to. Or maybe I shouldn't eat my paintbrush. But I'm still thinking. I guess. Oh, I'll just do this.
Colors. Okay. So. This is a really fun painting.
It sounds like a lot of fun.
Yeah. I'm doing a splatter painting so I can just kind of throw the paint. Oh, you could also do a finger painting if you have finger paints. Ooh, that's fun. Ooh, that's very, very, very nice.
Thanks.
Yeah. Oh, I like it.
And then. Boop.
Ooh, okay.
That looks pretty amazing.
Oh, thanks. I like it a lot. Ooh.
I'm quite impressed.
Yeah?
Yeah, I mean, you're a true artist.
Oh, thank you. It's pretty easy to do.
Yeah, but still, I think it's about the order of which color you put on first, isn't it?
Oh, yeah, thank you. It is.
Huh.
Yeah, and actually I did the dark colors last and I should have done them first. So then I ended up putting some light colors on top again.
Oh,
Yeah.
interesting.
I like yours a lot too.
Oh, I don't know. It's not
What?
that great.
I think it's amazing.
I don't want to show it.
You don't want to show it? No, why? It's lovely.
No, it's not.
I think it looks way more difficult than mine.
No, it's...
Kids, do you want to see Noah's painting?
No, they don't.
Yes, they do. Look. Yes, they do. They totally want to see it.
But you're the
Yeah.
artist.
Well, if I'm the artist and I say it's good, then it must be good, right?
No,
Yeah. I really think yours is better than mine, Noah.
No, I don't think so.
Mm-hmm.
I don't want to show it.
What if I show it?
No, it's not good.
Hmm.
You can show yours. Looks amazing.
Okay, I'll show mine, and then we'll see if you're okay with showing yours then. How about that?
Yeah.
Okay, so mine is a splatter paint.
Wow.
Yeah. So
Look at that.
Yeah.
So many colors. And it's like they're all over and it's just so I could be
Yeah.
looking at this for hours.
yeah, and I think you can look at it, and if you try hard, you can see whatever you want to see in it, maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah, and you can just take different colors and you put it in your paintbrush, and you literally just flick your paintbrush at the canvas. It's pretty fun. Yeah.
Olivia,
Yeah.
can I hang that up in my room?
Oh, of course you can. Here
Really?
you go. Yeah, you can have it. Oh,
That's so beautiful.
Now I'm a real
Kids,
artist.
Isn't it beautiful?
yeah, thank you.
Isn't it so
Wow.
so nice?
That's neat. You just made me a real artist, Noah. Noah, you're the first person who's asked for my painting.
Yeah, it's so beautiful. I'm gonna hang it up in my room.
Yay.
I really like it.
Aw, I'm glad you like
really
it.
like it.
Aw,
Thank you.
thank you.
Okay, I guess that's it for today's show.
Wait 1 second. You don't have to, but it'd be really nice if you wanted to show us your painting.
Yeah, but it's not that nice.
I really like it. I would like to hang it up in my room too. If you'd let me.
Oh, it's not that nice.
Can we show everyone? Yeah?
I guess so.
Okay. Ooh. Noah, I think it's lovely.
Yeah, but it's not as nice as yours.
I disagree. I think it's nicer. Yeah. I think it's got, like, at the bottom, it's very impressionistic.
Yeah.
Yeah. And at the bottom, it feels like to me, and this might not be what you meant, but this is what it gives me the impression of. The bottom gives me the impression of red roses, and then the middle gives me the impression of water and water lilies and some flowers there, and then the middle is kind of like the sun reflecting off water, and the top is the sky or more water. I think it's beautiful. It's very calming.
Do you see all of that in that picture?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. What were you painting when you painted it?
I don't know, just whatever I was feeling in that moment.
See? I don't know. That's what it feels like to me. It feels very relaxing and very much naturey.
Interesting.
Yeah, I think it's lovely.
Well,
Yeah. Would you mind if I hang it in my room?
no, I don't mind. It's okay.
Oh,
It's just
yay.
not the best, but maybe I can be better next time.
I think you're better this time, and you will be better next time. Every time you get a little bit better, right?
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
true.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well,
Well, thanks, Olivia, for showing me and making me be a better painter.
thank you for making me feel so special because you like my painting so much.
Yeah, and
for
thank you
painting
for
with
your
me.
painting. I really, really, really love it.
Yeah, I really love this too. I love both of these.
Yep.
And you kids out there, if you want to, you could send your pictures to us too. We'd love to see them.
Absolutely.
Yeah. We think art's so amazing.
Yep,
Yeah.
for sure.
I think this is really, really good.
Yep. Well, I would say that's it for today's show.
Yeah, I think that's it.
Happy painting at home.
Yeah, happy painting. Thank you guys for coming.
Thanks for watching Dream Again. We'll see you next time.
Yeah, see you next time.
Bye.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there. If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!